Here's a little more about my appraisal designation. Were you aware that less than 1% of local realtors hold this designation? That's less than 20. That's 20 of the 2,600 realtors who are actually designated MVA residential appraisers. So what exactly is this MVA all about? MVA is an anagram for Market Value Analyst. In a nutshell, we are MVA residential appraisers and real estate professionals. What a combination to serve you better. We not only have the experience and expertise of the local real estate market, but the high standards as realtors to uphold the Canadian Real Estate Association's strict code of ethics and standards of business practice. Because we are authorized to work with CMHC, that's Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, we must fulfill all the criteria established by CMHC under its residential appraisal designation policy. The professional requirements are extremely stringent, with no less than 5 years proven experience and many months of study culminating in a thesis that only a Purolator truck could handle. Accepting this challenge has brought miles of smiles to my many buyers and sellers who want not just an approximate value on purchasing and selling, but an exact value on their lifetime investment. So why not use the services of an MVA residential designee? That's me. Thank you for being with me today. I appreciate your time and look forward to hearing from you.